Hello, I'm Samantha from Shanghai Digital Electronics Technology. Like you see, the ESD Workbench is our repairing ESD Workbench. Let me show you. Firstly, you could open the lighting, like you see. Then we could see the shelf, the ESD shelf. You could set something that you used during your work. The perforated panel. The perforated panel, you could hang something when you need. Like you see, it's display stand. Okay, the next. When you see there are some plastic container, you could hang some plastic container and set up some components.
Magnifying lamp.
Let me show you the magnifying lamp. Okay, open it for you. Okay, like you see. Okay. Let me show you the air blower. Open it. Next, I will show you the turning table. Like you see, you could move it. Okay, you could sit here, and then you could use it for your work. Okay, we could prepare for you the cabinet. It has an anti-static function. It has a lock, like you see. Okay, you could open it. The chair, we also could prepare for you. We call this chair is the ESD fabric chair. Okay, thanks.